Thank God for watermakers.
Thank God for watermakers. Thank God for watermakers.
What's going on down there?
Watermaker broke. I need a small one.
Small one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like the booster pump may have quit.
What's the booster pump?
That's this pump here that pumps water from outside up into this pre-filter. But I think I can bypass the booster pump and make it work. So we'll see. Okay, now we'll see if we can get a program set up to where it won't look for the booster pump. Got the watermaker working. Still needs a part. We got it working temporarily. It'll get us by until the part comes to Staniel Key. Before we head up there, we're going to wait out. We have a cold front coming, so.
It's definitely getting a little breezy out. Severely underestimated the amount of coffee we drink before we left the US, so we're now working our way through our instant coffee stash. So this is a little less pleasant than I would like. Hopefully the audio is okay up here. I'm up at the helm in about 25 knots of wind. We've got quite a bit of wind chop in our anchorage right now, but no real swells, which is nice because it was pretty bouncy all through the night last night. And I think things are supposed to continue like this for the rest of the day today, so we're just gonna hang out here and keep an eye on things. Okay, the front has finally passed and I am losing my mind. We've been in Black Point for over a week now, which is the longest that we've stayed in one place since we got to the Bahamas. So I'm gonna go see if I can convince Ray to move today.
Holly's going crazy. So we are motoring up to Staniel Key, where our watermaker part will hopefully show up. We'll see.
It's looking like we've got just enough wind to use the jib. Is that a swing? While we were in Black Point, we met a local fisherman at a bar, and he gave us 2 lobster tail that we're gonna make for dinner tonight. Okay, today's the day. Let's go see if they have our watermaker part. Package secured. Making noises like it's making water.
We are making water.
All right, now that that's done, I think the next thing on our to-do list is to start budgeting and planning for our haul out. We've decided to haul out for this hurricane season, which is kind of a bummer, but COVID has severely limited our other options. Over the past few weeks, we've been compiling a list of things that we might want to do on my phone, so I went ahead and transferred that list onto an Excel sheet, and then I added an estimated cost for labor and materials, and so far we are $6,000 over our sort of goal budget. But that's boat life for you. Luckily though, a lot of the projects that we want to get done are just cosmetic, so it should be pretty easy for us to go through the spreadsheet together and kind of figure out where we can cut costs and prioritize what we need to get done. I think we've both reached our max capacity of productivity for the day, so we're gonna go find a beach. So we've actually decided to hop on over to Samson Key here. We'll anchor right in here and then take the dinghy in. There's some really nice little sandbar, shallow areas that we want to go spend the day at. This is amazing. Is this a gin and tonic?
Keep recording.